Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Bagsananta. I'm from Robotica B. I will present here about Node MCU ESP8266. First of all, I'm sorry because for not showing the actual ESP component because my teammate is still programming the project. Okay. I want to explain the reason I chose this component because in my opinion the most important part of robot is brain. So I want to explain about it. Okay, I will presentation about ESP8266 Node MCU. Uh, First, what is Node MCU? Uh, The ESP8266 Node MCU is a versatile development board designed for Internet of Things IoT application, integrating a Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller with various components for easy prototyping and development. Here's a detailed explanation of how the circuit works along with a list of components and their function. Circuit operation. The Node MCU operate by utilizing the ESP8266 chip, which integrate a 32-byte RISC processor, Wi-Fi capabilities, and various 1/0 functionalities. The circuit is powered via a micro USB connection, which supplies 5 volt that is regulated down to 3.3 volt for the ESP8266 and other component. The board can be programmed using the Arduino IDE for or MicroPython, allowing user to control connected device and access the internet. First, power supply. The board receives power through the micro USB port on board. Voltage regulator convert this to 3.3 volt, which is used to power the ESP8266 and other component. Next, Wi-Fi connectivity. The ESP8266 chips allow the board to connect to Wi-Fi networks, enabling remote control and data communication over the internet. Next, we have input or output control. The general purpose input or output pins can be configured to read sensor of control actuator, making it suitable for various IoT applications. Next, programming interface. The USB interface allows for easy uploading of code to the board, facilitating rapid development and testing. Next, we have active component of Node MCU. We have first we have ESP8266X microcontroller. This is the core processing unit that handles all operation and communication. The location on ESP8266X is locationnya in the inside the metal cover. Next, we have a voltage regulator. Convert the input voltage, typically 5 volt from USB to the required 3.3 volt for the ESP8266. Next, we have active component of Node MCU again. First, USB to serial converter. Possibilities programming the board via USB by converting USB signal to serial communication. Next, we have a PCB antenna. Enhance the Wi-Fi signal for better connectivity. And we have also passive component. First, capacitor. used for filtering and stabilizing the power supply to the microcontroller. Next, we have a resistor used to limit current and set voltage level for various components, including pull up and pull down configuring for GPIO pins. Next, we have a LED. Typically, is blue LED is connected to GPIO2 for indicating power status or debugging. Buttons, we have buttons for reset and flash buttons are included for resetting the board and entering program mode respectively. Next, we have this pin about Node ESP, Node MCU 8266, and there is keterangannya. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.